Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Zorin OS and Elementary OS. Zorin OS is often recommended for beginners because it makes the switch from Windows or macOS much easier. It has a modern and customizable desktop that can mimic the look of Windows, macOS, or even a classic Linux style. The flexibility allows users to adjust the interface according to their preferences. Zorin OS also comes with plenty of pre-installed apps, including LibreOffice and other daily use tools, so users can start working right after installation. It is based on Ubuntu, which means it has strong stability, long-term support, and access to thousands of applications through the Ubuntu software repositories. Another plus is that Zorin OS runs well on older computers, making it a good choice if you want to give new life to aging hardware. Elementary OS, on the other hand, is known for its beauty and simplicity. Its design is very clean, polished, and inspired by macOS, which makes it attractive for people who like a minimal and distraction-free workspace. It comes with its own applications that are lightweight and designed to match the system's overlook. The App Store is carefully curated, ensuring users get software that blends with the style of the system. While it does not offer as much customization as Zorin OS, Elementary OS focuses on providing a smooth, consistent, and clutter-free experience. It also tends to be lightweight, so it performs well on computers with limited resources. However, some users may find it less flexible if they want to deeply customize the system. Overall, Zorin OS is the better pick if you want familiarity, flexibility, and access to a wide range of apps, especially if you are coming from Windows. Elementary OS is ideal if you prefer sleek, minimal design and want a simple environment that just works without distractions. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.